Whoops, I forgot one other place I need to do it at. So let's copy you. AcreetionOS. People to do here. People to set up before we start. I'm gonna move you over here, and let's see here. We did all that. Oh yeah, we gotta come over here. And then we need to go to our good friend, brother from another mother. As I find him in here. I forget it does that crap, the Discord. Oh hey. Well, welcome. The ultimate streamer. Well, not really. I'm pretty unprofessional, as y'all can tell. Waiting for my kids' aid to show up, and figured I'm going to stream some shit. Give me just a second here, and we'll get started. And let's see here. Well, we'll send that to Beth Ann, even though she's probably sleeping. This is my our channel for AcreetionOS. We have a very approachable OS. It's based on Linux, and I really like it. Crap, I need to go mute that. Thank you. Wow, I already got 2 people watching. I'm impressed. So, hello. Now we need to get this out. One more thing. Yeah, I'm pretty unprofessional. Pop out. What the hell's it doing way over there? We want it over here. We'll put it right there. Now, let's see here. We want live chat. What do you mean good work? Come on, Linux Gamer. Give me a chance here to fuck it up, because I'm good at fucking it up. It's been more than 30 seconds so I can say the word fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. See? I can say it. YouTube can't yell at me anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick install of AcreetionOS and a VM. I like VM workstation the best. It works the best. But as you can see, our OS This is the desktop. It's pretty cool. We got different, space images. You know, got to have that. But we have a few things that we've added to this over time. So some users might have and might not have. You know, we have. Let's see here. For instance, the welcome screen. New users have this. Some older users might not yet, but you can do updates from it. I want to explain Autologger because it sounds a little confusing with the name Autologger. This allows us, and I don't recommend it, you can enable autologging. I use it personally. And you can pick which user you want, and it'll automatically log you in when you boot up. Simple as that. However, we've added don't ask for sudo password. This is a little misconclusive here. Basically, this only works in terminal. It does not do anything that's based on your screen. So, unless I'm in terminal. So, what we have here is the terminal. Clear, fast fetch. And so when I do a sudo pacman.ssyu, which we don't have any updates, it doesn't ask for a password. Now, normally I tell you that's bad. I do that because my passwords are like 45 fucking characters long, random letters. Good luck figuring it out. That's just how it works. So, besides that, that's normal. Good stuff. I'm the only one here again, so I'm just going to talk to myself. Anyway, that's what that does. I don't recommend, where is it? Right here. This one, I recommend being off. Okay. However, experienced users know this only works in terminal. So then you apply it. And as you can see, because we're not in terminal, it's going to ask for the password. So we enter our super secret long ass password. And bam, it's now applied. And it lets you do things like update, which by the way is a terminal command. It's just a alias, works great. It will update your system. It will ask you for a password if you have that turned off, just so you know. Now, Accretion's also great for games, which we'll do. We'll play a little 7 Days to Die. I always do enjoy murdering zombies. It's, double tap all the time. It's a good thing. Older people will get the double tap thing. And, this is AcreetionOS. It's cinnamon based. You want settings, you can go here. And by the way, if you watch my screen, we have wobbly windows, which is my favorite. Animations. You can install the cinnamon stuff for that if you want. It comes with some of them. However, wobbly windows you got to turn on. And it basically would do that in, I believe it's extensions. Yeah. Compass effects right here. You got to make sure you pick the right one or it messes up. Burn windows. That has a bunch of different settings in there. That's why you see like, and it goes away like an old time TV. But there are other ones you can pick. You can do the funnel. You can do the warp one. You can do whatever you want. There's a bunch in there. Now, I'm going to bring that back up so I can close it. And, you can do that. You can get the little button, go back to the other settings, and you got gestures for laptops. It does have that keyboard will pop up. You can program that in if you, have any handicaps, We added stuff for that. We are going to work on readers, but they are available if you want to put them in. You can change your font size, so you can come right over here, or you can just type display down here in the meta menu. And we can do, let's see, what else? We can do updates, which is not Calamari, sorry. It's Tamac, which works great because we maintain our own repositories. We run a week behind for you users. We have two of them. One is our testing branch, which I'm constantly updating and testing my system. So we break instead of you. That's the whole idea. Because Arch is very up to date, latest and greatest, which we appreciate. you know, which is nice. And we are in here, we're on kernel 7.1.9 Zen 1-2-Zen. Zen is a great kernel if you're going to game, flat out. I enjoy gaming with Zen because I get better frame rates. We also use, you'll see right here, X Libra. We have X11. You can pick your download on which one you want. You're more than welcome to. In fact, let's bring up the VM. I will go ahead and boot that sucker up into the current one, because this is one of the ways we test it. So we're going to boot existing OS on there, bring it up. I don't remember if this one's X11 or X Libra. So, let that boot up. It's in. It's still a fast boot for being a VM. Let's see. Oh, it is X Libra. So, we do have an upgrade program for it. We'll do an update. Super secret password since it's a VM. We have no updates. We're on the main. One of the things we do to test things is on the installs is we edit two files. So, Nano, Etsy, Pac-Man first. We'll come down here. We uncomment there. And we comment out this one. And then we do a sudo nano Etsy Pac-Man D mirror list. Comment out the first one, uncomment the second one, and we are now on the testing. Just do an update. And you're on testing. As you can see, we got a bunch of updates. So we go ahead and we'll run them, even though I'm going to do an install on this one. Go away, alarm. And where is my child's aid? Not here. Surprising. Door's open for her, so she can get in. As you can see, updates, they went pretty well. Nothing needs to be rebooted, so you don't need to reboot. It'll tell you if you need to reboot. Or, if, well, it won't tell you here, but PAMAC will. But if you have to reboot, it's because there was a kernel update, DKMS update, which are kernel modules, and so on. I mean, yeah. If you watch the screen, sometimes it'll tell you need to reboot. And sometimes it won't. But PAMAC always tells you if you need to reboot or not. Love PAMAC. I want to make some changes to it, make it bigger and prettier, and because PAMAC's great, but, you know, there's always room for improvement on everything, including the software I run. As you can see, that works great. Now, one of the things we do is, I'll go ahead and shut this down. So that one turns off right now. Close. Close. All right. Now I'm going to run to our repository, our VPS, which is highly protected. Let's see here. So when we do things, because we do get the Arch repositories, and our server's been up, by the way, for 1 day, 3 days, 3 minutes, 3 hours and 3 minutes. It's a 6-core one. We're going to run some quick updates on our server. Make sure everything's running good and doesn't need any. Good. So normally, when I get up in the morning, I do this. I run repo grab. Repo grab just goes out to the Arch repositories, the 3 main ones, looks for anything new, pulls them down, sticks them in our testing branch. Now, on Sunday morning at 10 a.m., a program called repo copy runs. That's what copies everything over from the testing to what you users get, which means I've had time to test it. My kids had time to test it. We've had time to break things. We've had time to fix things. In case we need to hold a package back, sometimes that's what we have to do, or we have to go and get, since it's all open source, go get that package and rebuild it with a fix in it, which we've done and can do. That kind of stuff. Now, I am working on another problem. Has to do with what we call our Calamares configs. When it does the video detect, which it does, and it works great, but if you have a video card that's not supported anymore, let's say an NVIDIA that's so old that, you know, it's older than, I think, 1050, it won't support it. Well, sorry, but best bet to fix that is what we call Alt Control F2, log into the system, and Yay comes installed, and you go find the actual driver that you need for the older NVIDIA card, which they exist out there, and install them. I recommend using LTS kernel when you do that. That fixes a lot of problems. Now, there was only one file it downloaded, so no biggie there. And let's see here. We're going to start this because I'm going to turn my camera off. I have to go deliver medication. Only takes me a few minutes. And that's our Arch server, so we'll go ahead and exit there. Then we're going to go to packages. We'll do AcreetionOS this time, not the X Libra, so I can show you the upgrade after it installs. So this is what I do. Sundo nano, whoops, pacman.conf. Which one are we in? Normally it builds up the main, but I am an ass. I want to make sure everything works right in case there's something we have to fix. Boom. The reason you not see our Arch repository, our version of the Arch repository in the build sequence, is because it will try to grab stuff from there that might not actually work, because it contains everything. After it's installed, ACUR is turned on, and it won't grab new packages after that. It goes by the first ones it sees. However, it will let you install things like OBS Studio, which I'm using here. So, let's go ahead, and first thing we do is remove our cache. Whoops, that's not it. Bar, cache, Pacman, packages, star. This removes all the, so it'll have to download them. So we're going to do a build, and it's going to build it. And then I will put this ISO into our VM. I will be right back. I got to mute a couple things. Where is OBS? There it is. Maybe if I can figure out how to mute it. Oh, desktop audio. Okay, that's muted, and the video capture's muted. Now I can go and get packages while this runs and people watching. I'm streaming. Don't worry, the camera's on right now. Okay. It will be happening. Okay. You're late.
My dad is with me.
Your dad needs to figure it out.
Funny thing is, he's off today, so.
Don't stop playing with himself and take you to work. Sorry, that's just me being my usual self. get water. Get your cup. Because she can't bring anything out at all. Washed anyway. Coffee cup yesterday.
Huh?
But you didn't use the coffee cup yesterday.
Yeah, I just wasn't feeling good.
I know. It's the Menzie thing. I'm going back to streaming. Okay, I'm back. I think I'm back. I thought I was back. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it is working. You should have sound. Well, you might have had sound the whole time because I'm an idiot. Clicked the wrong button. All right, here we go. So, by the way, just so you know, this little thing right here normally has this check mark when you first install. Just uncheck it, and when you close it, it never comes back. That simple. That right to the point. I don't know if I have audio sound or not. Oh, I do have audio sound. Okay. As you can see, 16 cores. It still takes it a while to compile. It's a pretty big ISO. I want to get it smaller, but that's me. And I would love to get it smaller. I'm working on it. Can't believe Jacob didn't stick around. Sometimes he can just be kind of mean like that. Just runs away. You know, I only played Civ 7, 7 Days to Die, and Blackjack Champions. See, I do like my blackjack. I miss gambling. I was good at it, especially when it came to blackjack. Shh, don't tell them I was card counting. Actually, they don't care up here. They actually encourage you because most people don't know how to do it. It's funny to watch them lose all their money. Kind of annoying when they try to do it, or when you're playing blackjack and the dealer shows a 6 and you have 14 or 16 in your hand and the idiot goes and takes a card. I'm like, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Don't do that. That's just plain dumb. Because you throw the whole count off and you cause people to lose the game. But again, that's why I'll quit playing at a table when a bunch of Gen Zers sit down. No offense to Gen Zers, but y'all don't know how to play blackjack. You think you do, but you really don't. It's a terrible, terrible thing. Why has she not gotten back a hold of me? What's the dealio? Or her? But yep, on to my normal rants while this is almost done. A lot of good things happening in our government, I think, you know. People are upset that we're kicking the illegals out. Well, first off, you came here illegal. You had your chance. You could have been legal when we had that one president named Biden who loved ice cream and fell upstairs and couldn't ride a bike without falling over. But there's those things. But he made it so that all the illegals could have got legal, and they didn't. They could have walked right down there, just signed the paperwork, and been legal U.S. citizens. He offered them amnesty, and most people didn't take it. So when you get kicked out, you get kicked out, and you must go. You came here illegal. That's against the law. You are now a criminal. Bye-bye. End of story. Now, back onto my other little rants. What we're going to do here, it's done. It's 2.2 gigs. Should be less than a gig, but hey, that's not how things work anymore. So we're going to bring up VM stations. Now, for some reason, I have to go in and reload the ISO, even when starting the program up new. We did this one. So we'll do an install with this one. Now, we'll boot it up. We're going to wipe out the VM. I just did updates on, but I just wanted to make sure everything worked, and it did. All I know is thank God for coffee. And we got to wait for it to boot up. It is a VM. First boot always takes a little bit. Then it gets faster after the install. And even faster after the second boot of the install. Oh, look at that. Wobbly windows. It will go. Give it a second. There we go. It's starting up now. You don't have to connect to the internet. I don't recommend not connecting to the internet. You get a very bare minimum system if you do that. A lot of stuff is missing, but it will install and run. But I don't recommend it. So we do next. I like the Zen kernel, so we're going to install that one. This is an AMD machine. Even though it's in a VM, we're still going to install the AMD U codes. We hit next. We guess we can install Steam, desktop. We'll install LibreOffice, and we'll install my favorite VPN, TorGuard. Hit next. Hit next, because it got my city and state right. Well, it got my time zone right. We want the default English because we're US English. Next. This is the drive we want. Now, gotta warn y'all, if you're installing this on hardware, it's going to wipe the disk. I mean, you can go into manual partition and set it up if you want. Good luck. Just saying. Now, I'm going to erase the disk. We hit next. The aide behind me thinks I'm a retard because I'm out here talking to myself. And let's see here. We're going to do, your name is King Asshole. And the username is going to be Asshole. Username should always be lowercase. Just saying, no uppercase letters. It's a VM, our super secret password. It's set to auto log in. I do not have that checked. If you color this box in, now it will not accept that one. And then it accepts it. It is set to auto log in. You can turn this off, and then you have to enter a password and a username. I use the same password for my administrative accounts. You can do a different one. That's up to you. That would just add a layer of security. If you're going to have other people using your computer, I would recommend it. Next, and we're going to install. Everything looks good. Yep. Install. Toggle just so y'all can see it. And I'll make that a little bit bigger for you so you can read it. There you go. This is our syncing over stuff and copying stuff, and then it's going to install. If you're curious where the background went, it's right here. Toggle log. That's normally what users see. Now, I like to watch this. There's going to be some errors. Don't worry. They're not fatal. I got to work on those too. Just newer stuff. It still installs, still runs, works great. It will install all the software, supposed to, as you will see. Oh, I got two watching now. Why was the message redacted? Why can't I not see it? I don't know why that was redacted. So, sorry. I'm not sure what you said. I apologize. I still don't know why it's redacted. It's YouTube. You pass gas wrong, it'll redact you. So, it's YouTube. Let's go and while that's running, I'm going to check out who you are. O2 channel. Let me see. Oh, you make tech videos. Awesome sauce. Well, welcome. Again, I don't know why it was redacted. I can't seem to see it for some reason. I'm the creator of the channel, and I can't even see why it was redacted. So let's go back to you. And there you are. And then we'll bring you back up. Where's my pop-out chat? I know it's here somewhere. There it is. So anyway, this is AcreetionOS. It works. That's the whole idea. I love it. I use it. Personally, I use the Zen kernel on X Libra. Cannot stand well, I can stand X11. I cannot stand Wayland. I'm not a Wayland fan. Half my video stuff doesn't work on Wayland. Here, I'll bring over and show you what does work. Like when I'm using P sensors, I have all my NVIDIA stuff here. I see all my temperatures and everything just fine. When I turn on Wayland, I see nothing about my NVIDIA card, so I don't know if it's freaking out or not, or it's getting hot, or it's going to explode. You know nothing. It's usually over here on this screen. So one of the reasons I don't like NVIDIA, I think my graphics were better on X11, and then X Libra was even better. So there was a small improvement there too. I run Wayland and I get choppy 7 days to die. It doesn't quite run right. It doesn't run up to my expectations. I am going to be working on, and have been a little bit working on, just haven't got around to finishing it yet, a Wayland version. I'm just not in a hurry to do it. I'm lazy. I'm old. I'm Gen X. What do you expect? It's just how I am. Anyway, it's almost done. It's what? 86%. Yeah, I'm blind. I got 50-inch monitors. You'd think I wouldn't be this blind, but, But according to Washington State, I'm great to drive. Get off my road. That's my attitude. Crazy Tech. I'm definitely going to follow your channel and check you out and see, I should like it. I like almost anybody's channel. Let's see here. Yep, it's installing LibreOffice like it's supposed to. It's Calamares. It's not that hard to work with. Yeah, I used an older version. Less headache that way. I recompiled it. Less headache than when it changes Qt6 and all that other stuff. Kept that from happening, and you can still auto log in. You don't have to put it back in. Figure it out. I don't want to have to figure it out. I want things just to work. So, it's almost done. This is a VM though, not a live install. So, Or the last time I did a live install, which was yesterday on one of my hard drives, went perfect. Look at that. Oh, processing jobs. We like it when it processes jobs. That's always a good thing when it processes the jobs, especially the post install. Oh, yeah. This right here is the part that's detecting videos. Well, this one's actually doing a network fix here in the post install. People with AMD motherboards and AMD processors, some of them have a problem with the network that every other boot, don't know why it's only every other boot, your network is dead. You can't even turn it on. Reboot and it's back. Reboot and it's gone. This was the network fix for it. So people don't have that problem anymore. And we're done. We reboot. Since I'm not injecting it, now wait for it to come up. I'll go down here to boot existing OS. Boot it. Yeah, that's been some of the other problems I had too. Remote access was terrible with it. I mean, I just personally, it's going to be 3 to 5 years as far as I'm concerned before Wayland's even ready. They don't seem to care if a user doesn't have access. So, I went and my post got deleted on Wayland. I went and posted about it to them. I believe it was on GitHub or GitLab. And they told me that I can't post that, and they deleted it because I was like, NVIDIA doesn't work, remote doesn't work. When is this going to be fixed? And I guess I thought I was being an asshole. I don't care. I mean, you read my shirt, it's a Gen X shirt for a reason. Yeah, here we got a boot. Let's go in there and make this bigger. Look at that. Apply, keep. Sorry if I miss you sometimes. When you type something, it takes me a minute. Because I'm over here looking on the other screen, it's over to my right. That's all done. Now, as you can see, the welcome screen lets you change your display settings, update. I don't think there should be any. If you give it a minute, sometimes it takes PAMAC a minute. There doesn't seem to be any updates. And again, this is the auto logger. Use with care. It will still ask for a password for your sudo privileges if you are in this screen right here. When you're in this screen and you're in the graphical environment, it's still going to ask you for your password. This is for terminal only. Like I said, you can click that button, turn it on, click apply, enter your super secret password, and now you no longer in terminal need sudo. Sudo will work. You have to put sudo, but it will not ask you for a password. Do I recommend this? No. Do I use it? None of your business. But again, I have passwords that are so long that they're insanely big. Go ahead and put that back. And there were no updates that I saw, but again, PAMAC can be a little slow, so we can come up here, go into terminal, just type update, which is an alias, and whoops. Might help if I actually just type it up here. And look at that, we got a bunch of warnings. Warnings are because those are ahead. Not a big deal. It's because of the way I built the ISO. I built it off our testing branch instead of the other one to make sure everything works, and everything works. Makes me happy. When everything works, I'm happy. It's a terrible, terrible thing. When I'm happy, I guess, according to my Gen Z kid, I am mean. So, it is what it is. I said, well, Buttercup, welcome to Gen X. We're mean. We also bitch a lot, too. Of course, we'll also run protesters over because we're bored. And they're in our way. Again, we're Gen X. We were raised by boomers and the silent generation. What was it the greatest? I forget which one came after Boomers. Before Boomers. I was raised by them. Silent generation, if I remember right. And a lot of Gen Xers were raised by Boomers, and they think they had it bad. They did. But boy, on the silent generation, when your parents said shut the fuck up, you did it. Because if you didn't, you were time traveling not a week into the future, 2 to 3 weeks or more, or you were just going to meet God. Welcome to how I grew up. That's how it is. As you can see, everything works good. So I'll go ahead and shut it down. I will bring up 7 Days to Die because I just like to kill shit. And that's a Gen X thing. So we'll go over here to Steam. And then we'll come over here to 7 Days to Die. I don't know, I did it that way. I didn't need to. It's going to do its little thing. When we run it, that's off the screen. Fun Pimps. Love this game. This is like one of my favorite games. That and Civ 7. Well, Civ 6, which I haven't played in a while. I don't have it installed now, but Civ 7's still up there. However, this game, I really enjoy just slaughtering demons, or whatever you want to call it. I don't understand the chicken coop and the swimwear of Apocalypse. Just, to me, doesn't make sense. They should have put naked zombies in there. Would have been more entertaining. Oh, look, you blew her boob off. The zombie's boob fell off. Awesome. And so on. Alright, so we just click play, and we go over join, connect, wait for it to load. This is on our repository server. Oh, he's not there anymore. Too bad. I liked him. I must have scared him off. I scare people off sometimes. That's okay. So we're going to spawn. Create the player. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, look at that. We're here. We're even going to do a job. Let's turn on frame rates. Yeah, that's not too bad today. Usually it's better. It's doing things, though, on the server. Let's make sure our N60 is locked and loaded. So, you know, we got to tear them zombies a new ass. And we're going to go do a quick one. We've already double looted this one. Oh, look at that. We're going to loot the truck and scrap it. Oh, and the mailbox, too. Might be good books in there. We want you. Don't care. Don't care. Want you to. Look at that. Yeah, quit your whining, character. You got 34 seconds left of their broken leg. You'll get over it. Run back here first and run in here. There's a thing in here. We'll sell you, read you, sell you. Because we got more money than God. Scrap it off. Might as well get the iron. Yeah, we got enough iron. And then I want back here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, up on the roof. What fell? Oh, look at that. Anything down here? I'll hear them up here bitching. I hear them damn zombies. I hear them in there bitching, trying to get out. Oh, hello. Come back here. Bye, Nurse Melvin. She's dead too. God, I love this M60. Drop the rock, scrap the nails. The horde base is already built. And we'll just keep scrap monitors over there pounding on that door. Eventually he's going to come through and I'll have to shoot the dumbass. There we go. We got a thing to go about 340 meters away to get to. We'll take care of that too while we're at it. After this. Ooh, eat some food and get stinky. I don't know why they're dropping that low. They never drop that low. Must be doing stuff on the server. Ah, it's 9 o'clock, that's what it is. Plastic. What's in the oh, I see a snake. Bye, Snakey. On the paper. I had to kill the snake. What's in the desk? Ooh, a safe. We like safes. Make sure she's locked and loaded. You never know when you need that extra firepower. $160 frames, whatever it's doing, it stopped. Usually it's higher than that too times. I don't know why it's down aiming that low. Ooh, 250, I don't use it. Oh, wow. That'll fix that bug, or that'll sell for something. Get rid of you. Oh, yeah, $2,800 now. Take, drop, drop, drop. I shot the wrong thing. I'm an idiot. Ooh, drugs. Hey, wait, I haven't taken my liquid cocaine or running elixirs yet. I'm gonna do that too. Take them suckers. Get them got all juiced up. You go kill zombies. This isn't infested clear. Only level 3 infested clear, but still, needless to say, it's infested. You drop, you take you. Take you, take you, take you. Drop the glass, drop the sand, drop the paper. What are you? Take you, drop the rotten flesh. Like, I want rotten flesh. I don't need to make antibiotics. I got them already. Drop. And we'll just get rid of you. You ain't worth that much. And we'll put you up there. Already got you. It won't open. Hello? Anybody here? Hello? I know there's doggies. Wow, that's a lot of doggies. Hey, come here, Kenny the crackhead. Where you going? Larry there. Oh, that took a lot of bullets. Dude, that was fun. Slaughterhouse. Nothing. I don't remember if there's anything ever in here. I don't think there is. Pentagram. Why is there a pentagram there? Those are all pentagrams. No. Oh, wait, tire. We'll take the wood. We can sell that. Hello? I'm home. Where you at, you little retards? I know you're in here. Ah, there we go. What? You dead. Oh, and you dead too. Oh, and you dead too. Thank you for the loot bag. I'm infected? Really? I forgot to take those. Wow, that's my own stupidity. Well, we'll eat some food so we can attract some more. Don't know why it dropped down so low, but it did. I'm gonna drop the paper. And where's my honey? Then we'll drink my super honey tea. Goodbye. Look at that. I'm not hurt, so what do you got in here for me? Read you, take you, take you, take you, and take you. Ooh, food. We're a fat man who likes to eat. Ah. We'll eat you, though. Your cornbread. Cornbread's okay, though. Why did I get paper from that? I told you to drop. Oh, look, iron. We like iron. Where you at? I hear you. Well, let's take you all over. Oh, there you are. Breaking Bad wannabe. Oh, look, it's the local horror. We got books to read. Go away. We'll read you and take you. Oh, more stuff for me. Oh, yeah, we'll take you because we keep forgetting to take you. And I hit my hand on there. I'm doing terrible. That was in my way. Oh yeah. Ooh. 3 copper. Ooh, duffel bag. What kind of drugs are in here? Oh, vitamins. Take your drugs. Take you, drop you, because you ain't worth shit to me. Oh, almost forgot the books and the food. Can't do that. Read them books. See, education is important in the apocalypse. We'll eat you. Eat you. Yeah, he can eat cat food. He's not too good to not eat cat food. Yeah, in the apocalypse, my dude is fat and lazy. So, god damn it. Are these worth anything? Yeah, we'll take them. Fuck. Don't care. Anything in here worth selling? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and empty out in the truck. Yeah, I know I stink. He's sniffing himself. What the fuck was that? I did not want coal. Don't need coal. I saw coal. Rock. How many gym points I need? I got 4. In here? No. In here? Oh, wow. Look at that. We got that. That's 1. Nothing in there. Okay. We got 4. Dead eye we can't do unless we go 1, 2. Dead eye. 3. We got 1 more. Penetrator. That's what she said. There we go. What's over here? Thank you. Ooh, trash. We're just collecting all kinds of stuff now. Oh, 7.3 meters away. Ah, worth the money. Why are you locked? Seriously, you should not be locked. Look at that. Where'd y'all come from? I mean, seriously. We're done. Look at that. That's where the stash is this time, and we're done. What do we got in here? We'll sell you, add you. Ooh, 44 Desert Eagle. That's worth some money. What's it worth now that I fixed it? That's the next important question. Where's the Desert Eagle at? I fixed it. Oh, there it is. Ooh, I can combine it with my other one though. It's got some good stuff on it, so we'll set you there. I don't have an auto shotgun, so I don't care. What do we got in them? Ooh, good stuff. Read, sell. Sell. Yeah, we'll take some more vitamins. We'll sell those. Whoops. A lot to sell now. Except I don't want to sell the Desert Eagle. Where's my Desert Eagle? I can't find my damn Desert Eagle. Where'd it go? That needs to be sold. Where's the Desert Eagle? Well, it's just here in my hand. We'll find it eventually. I know it's in the list. How did the Desert Eagle disappear? There she is. We keep her, and we're gonna go back since our house is right there. No, we're gonna sell you. Oh, shotgun, auto shotgun. And look at that. We're home. Where's my combined station? What happened to all my stuff? Oh, it is on there. Oh, well, I got one more whole ram, or whatever you want to call it. And we'll run over here and start selling some shit, make some more money from my millions of dollars that I've got in Dukes. Because I tend to. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I'm an idiot. Fuck my damn Jeep. Not new there. Okay. Did I just see something over here? Broken door. Why don't you get your shit fixed?
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to pay you.
Yeah, you are, bitch. Pay up. You got any more infested jobs? You don't have any infested jobs? Really? That's too far to go. Barry, don't want to do. Clear zombie. I don't care about that. Shady Wood. Amphitheater? Oh, that should be good. But that's 3.5 miles away. I don't want to drive up there. I guess we'll just clear.
Work for a fuck up like. Let's get one thing straight.
I'd love to put one right there between your eyes.
For me.
It's worth it. We'll just take it this time. Do 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 do. Got the truck fixed up. We come over here, take a whole bunch of that, and head out back over here to see this dickhead, because he's a dick. People go, why you call him a dickhead? Because he's a dick. I don't think we have any books yet. No, no books. So, Sell you, sell you, sell you. Sell you, sell you, sell you, sell you. We're just gonna sell everything that we possibly can. Look at that. I'm just making money left and right. Pay up. Right? You don't pay up, I'm gonna blast you right in between the eyes. Oh yeah, I want to keep you. I'm gonna put you down here. I tend to break shit, like my bones. I don't know how they keep getting messed up, but they do.
Cha-ching! Thanks, buddy.
Shut up. $3,200. I like that. Pay up, Rack. Really? Dumb dog.
Beat it, fucker.
You shut the fuck up. I'm not done with you yet. Got a whole fleet of doggies in here now. I gotta go kill.
A sale is a sale, even if it is to a scumbag like you.
Alright, let's go kill us a doggy. Come here. And that's how you take care of them demon dogs. Anyway, we're done streaming today. I think we did our daily dose of, this is what I do with my life and with the OS. This is what I do. I'm being bored and being a jackass. Oh, so I put my money. See, I got all this money in these dukes, man. It's amazing. You set it up right, you can get rich in this game. Yeah, frame rates weren't too bad today. They were down a little bit, but our server's been running a bunch of stuff in the background. It is what it is. Oh, anybody else watching me? There ain't nobody watching me. Nobody ever watches me. I'm an ass. And I'm proud of being an ass. So, hope everybody enjoyed it. It was just a quick install stream, show you a little bit around Accretion. Yes, it has its advantages and definitely does good in games. And yeah, works good. Games play great. The ones I play do. And let me see here. I gotta figure out how to get out of this. Let me see here. Where is OBS? Alright, y'all have a good one, you hear? And remember, it's still illegal to run tweakers over even if they deserve it. Which is 99.9% of the time.